Hi everyone. As you probably know, Mohammed Hijab recently began targeting women with mockery and abuse. He's even been using imagery of torture and rape when insulting women and suggesting that, deep down, some of them actually want to be subjugated and raped by Muslim conquerors. The worst part is that he's been encouraging his followers to do the same, and so Hijab is starting a global campaign of harassment and abuse directed towards women. I've repeatedly warned him about this kind of escalation since Surah 6 verse 108 of the Quran says that the way to make people like Hijab stop with the insults is to insult Allah in return. Sadly, Hijab hasn't heeded my warnings, so welcome to my first origami lesson, how to make an origami pig. There are lots of different ways to make an origami pig. I'm going to show you how to make the cutest, most adorable little origami pig you ever saw. The first thing we'll need is some paper. Oh, here's some. We'll need 2 squares, one for the body and one for the head. You can do this with scissors. I have a paper cutter, so I'll just use that. There you have it, perfect squares from a perfectly preserved book. I'll make the body first. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll speed it up as I make the folds. You shouldn't have any problem seeing all the moves. This is going to be the cute little pig's body. We can go ahead and draw a little pig tail. Now for the head. Look at this adorable pig head. We can finish the head with a pen. Now all we need to do is connect the head to the body. You can add a little tape or glue if you want to keep these together permanently, but that's how you make an origami pig. Wow, what an adorable pig, sitting on a big old pile of slop. Let me know in the comments section what you think we should name this little guy. Also let me know what I should make next. I could make an ape to complete the apes and swine theme, or I could take a crack at Barack, Muhammad's magic flying donkey, but I'm open to suggestions. I'll go ahead and sign and date this because I'm putting this and my future creations on eBay. The link will be in the description box. Trust me, when one of these jihadis finally gets around to sawing my head off, you're going to want a piece of history. And pieces of the history of the counter-jihad just don't get much more epic than a one-of-a-kind, screen-used Origami pig signed by the Dizzle himself. Now, as for you, Mohammed Hijab, just let me know when you want me to get back to focusing on apologetics. I can do this all day, but I'll let you decide how I'm going to spend my month, making apologetics videos or making my favorite Origami animals.